I found a YouTube channel making over $40,000 a month without ever showing their face. It's literally just body cam footage. And today, I'm going to give you their exact video template for free. Now, I already know what you're going to say. This is 100% AI-generated video. YouTube won't pay for this. Wrong, and I'm about to prove it. I personally checked the monetization status of this channel on YouTube, and yes, it is fully monetized. The channel Firefighter BodyCam has over 241 million views, and at a 20-cent RPM, that's life-changing money, especially for YouTube Shorts. If this content was just low-quality AI spam, YouTube would have demonetized it years ago, so here's what I'm going to do. I'll show you the exact 3 steps that make these videos legal, monetizable, and 100% original. 1. Where to get the free AI clips. 2. The exact edit that makes them transformative. And 3. How to add audio so it becomes your own original content. To create this video, all you need is a good prompt. Basically, let AI do the hard work for you. You can find ready-made prompts in Google Docs. Just copy the first one, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you 5 topic ideas. You can pick any topic you like and create a video on it. If you want even more ideas, you can ask ChatGPT. For example, type in the prompt box, "Give me 10 more unique topics that are viral." And ChatGPT will instantly provide fresh, trending video topics that are ready to use. So you've picked your topic. Let's say it's this 4th one here. Now here's what you do next. Go back to the Google Doc, look for the second prompt, the one I made for building the full video scene by scene. Copy that prompt, then head to ChatGPT and paste it in. Make sure you also paste your chosen topic right into the prompt so ChatGPT knows exactly what to build. Then hit Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a complete, ready-to-use scene-by-scene prompts, including dialogue. That means the entire storyline, shot by shot, is already written. From there, we'll use these prompts to actually produce the video. Now we'll start generating the actual videos using the prompts we created in ChatGPT. To do this, we're going to use Sora 2. I've added 2 helpful videos in the description below, so you can check those out if you need step-by-step guidance. Once you open Sora 2, copy and paste the first prompt from ChatGPT and select the video duration and choose the aspect ratio, 9:16, since this is the perfect format for YouTube Shorts. After that, click the Generate button. When the video is ready, click on the default folder to open it, and you'll see your first generated video. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the next scene prompt, and return to Sora 2. Use the exact same settings as before, then click Generate again. This will create your next video clip, and you can continue repeating this process until all scenes are completed. You'll repeat the exact same steps for every scene. All you need to do is copy each prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Sora 2, and generate the video clip. After doing this for all your prompts, you'll have all your videos ready. As you can see, it only took me about 2 minutes to generate 8 to 10 clips. Once they finish rendering, you can preview each video and confirm they match the script. Alright, so right now you'll see a watermark on your videos, sometimes even 2. No stress. We're going to remove them in seconds, for free. First, you have to post your video in Sora 2. Just click the Post button. Don't worry, this doesn't make it public. It just saves it to your Sora 2 profile so we can grab the clean version. I'll post all of mine. Now go back to your main Sora 2 profile. See the video you just posted? Here's the trick. Click the Share button and copy the link. That link is your key. Take that link and head to this website. I'm dropping it in the description below. You paste the link here, hit download, and scroll down. You'll see the option to download without watermark. Boom! Get it! Your video is now clean. Do this for every clip. Same steps every time. Post, share, copy, paste, download. And just like that, here are all my videos, completely watermark-free and ready to edit. Let's keep moving. Next step, we turn these clips into a viral YouTube short. For that, we use CapCut. Open the app and hit Import. Select all your watermark-free videos and bring them in. Drag your first clip to the timeline. Make sure it's strong, don't start slow. Your first 3 seconds must hook. Now, drag the rest of your clips in step by step, building a story. Like I'm showing you now. Trim, cut, and arrange them so the first 15 seconds are unbelievable. This keeps retention high and makes your video blow up. Once all clips are on the timeline, click Transitions and add a fast cut, like fade or blink. Then the most important step, auto captions. Click Text, then Auto Captions. Select your language and hit Generate. In seconds, your captions appear on the right panel. You can edit them, change the color, make them pop, whatever fits your style. Now your video is ready. Click Export at 1080p, 60 frames per second. Let's preview the final result. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.
Please! My dog Max is inside! He ran into the forest fire! Please save him!
Stay back, Lila! We're gonna find him!
Stay back, stay back.
Max! Hey, boy! Come on, buddy!
That's it. Good boy. Get you out of here.
Stay close!